Hi, I'm Lavishwaran from Chennai, India. This is the final project for CS50. I have created a web page called Morse code. This is a home page and it contains two tabs that we can get into. The first is convert and the second one is learn. First we'll see convert. This convert page has a text field that you can enter text. After you enter text, you can hit convert and this gives you the Morse code of the text entered above. Let's see the second tab. This tab contains a list of all the characters which is there in the international Morse code language and its corresponding Morse code values. There is also a link provided where you can learn Morse with a website which is created by Google. Let's get back into the convert tab. This text field is very highly interactive and it can handle all exceptional cases where no text is entered. It gives the user uh, output that no text is entered. If you have entered a character that is not there uh, in the Morse code language, it gives you a user interactive output that the characters you have entered does not have Morse code values. Thank you for viewing my presentation of my final project.